Hello, I'm Clara Fan, and I'm a high school student in San Diego, California, in the United States. So, One Health or universal health is important to me because it connects the well being of everyone, from people to animals to the environment. And since all of these are connected, affecting the health of one aspect, such as animals, can change or impact the health of another aspect, such as the environment. So, I'm interested in the antibiotic resistance issue of One Health, which is when bacteria resist to antibiotics so that they don't work anymore. Resistance happens when we overuse and misuse antibiotics, and this can affect the lives of humans and animals alike. So, for example, 80% of the total antibiotics that are used in agriculture. And this can lead into our soils, into our lakes, and into our environment. And it can also create resistant bacteria. If humans consume food with these resistant bacteria, they will become ill. So one way we can help mitigate this problem is to create awareness and educate people and professionals alike. So for the past few years, I've been involved in educating people about antibiotic resistance and what they can do to prevent it through games or gamification. So for example, I created an island on a virtual island on Animal Crossing New Horizons dedicated to educating people about AMR through graphics and photos. And this year, I focused on connecting with Superbugs Against Africa and other health professionals to create another game about antibiotic resistance. And this is going to be kind of like a virtual, escape room game. Aside from gamification, I've also been doing research and science projects, such as my Nano-silver Liquid Bandage project. And this year, my project, I replicated the nanopillars of dragonfly wings, so to kill bacteria, and can be used for orthopedic implants, to use physical ways instead of chemical ways to kill bacteria. And for One Health, I'm trying to be mindful about the environment and animals that live in it, and especially focusing on the antibiotic resistance issue and trying to do projects to help mitigate it. Thank you.